It's time for a new water cooling build. Let's take out this TR4 motherboard. Already has a CPU in there. Time to install the thermal paste and then install our Tri-Swift TR4 block. Now installing the RAM, Corsair LPX, love it. M.2 drive, putting it in the motherboard. Let's go ahead and install the riser cable. We're using the Thermaltake Core P3. Remove the back panel, install the PSU. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the radiator, 360 millimeters, RTX 3080 with the Aorus water block. Plug in all the cables. Let's go. Yep, more cable plugging. Time to turn it on. Let us know what color coolant should we put in this build, and make sure you click the plus for more PC building content.